Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your Captain Andrew Helbig speaking. On behalf of myself and the entire crew, we just want to thank you for joining us on VoiceOver Airlines Pier Travels today. Please review the safety information found at the bottom of this video, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the in-flight movie.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the new vlog. Today is Friday, July 18th, and we are in Chicago. As you guys saw, I need to fix this side of my hair so bad, but I have nowhere to put you guys. Just like nowhere to put you guys. So I'll just have to do it one-handed. Yeah, we are in Chicago for the weekend. Very excited. We came in yesterday evening. First of all, this city is beautiful. Like, when people talk about how beautiful the city is, they mean it. Like, the city is gorgeous. But yesterday was a whole thing. American Airlines, count your days. American Airlines overbooked our flight, and so it was this whole like chaos about them needing people to like get off the flight and take a different flight, and like they couldn't like proceed until they had like 5 people agree. Yeah, so American Airlines wouldn't like let people on until at least 5 people agreed to switch to a different flight. And then they talked about, oh, we're so full that like anybody with a carry-on, you're probably gonna have to check the bag. So me and my brother ended up checking our bags, and I like was not like, I did not think I was gonna have to check my bag because I have a carry-on. It's a good thing I put my air tag in it. But anyway, and then the plane didn't show up for like a very long time. So we boarded late, took off late, and then we missed our reservation. So we wanted to go to Porter's Kitchen and Deck because we've heard a lot about it, and it's right by the river and it's gorgeous. Wanted to go there, missed our reservation, and we tried to go anyway. And by the time we got there, the kitchen was closed. And so we went to this Italian place. I forgot what it's called. It was really good. It was really good. It was really nice. And so yeah, that was a bit of a bummer, but the Italian place made up for it, so I'm not too angry about it. So we are about to head out to our day today. We have a couple of things on the agenda. We are going to go to brunch, of course, and then we are going to go to Millennium Park to see the Bean, of course. Then we are going on a boat ride, of course. And then after that, our day's kind of open. We'll see what we get into after those things. We might just... The World's Fair is actually in Chicago this year. And so we might go to that this afternoon. We might not, because it's not really in the city, it's outside of the city. So that would be like a drive. And then also it's gonna rain this evening, so we'll see. If not, we'll just go to probably a restaurant and then find something to do, either shop or go see a movie. And then if it's raining, probably just stay inside anyway. So that is our agenda today. I'm so excited to bring you guys along. And I just can't believe I'm here. I'm so excited. I'm glad I did this. But yeah, I'm gonna go charge the battery so that I have a little bit of battery for the rest of today's activity. Say hi. Say good morning. So we just left at the Beam. It was so beautiful, y'all. Like, I was telling my brother that, like, it's very interesting to see things that you've always seen on your phone in real life. And it was gorgeous. We are going to go eat breakfast now, finally. It was packed when we went over there. We were 72nd in line to be seated. And they told us we had to wait an hour and 15. But we're gonna go over there now because I got a text that said that our seats are ready. So yeah, hopefully it's good. An hour and 15-minute wait, it better be good. What would you rate that out of 10? The food? A 7? Okay, that's pretty high.
What would you rate?
I'd give it a 6.5.
Oh, right.
A 6. 6.3. It was pretty good. We're heading back to the hotel now to put our food away. Because somebody didn't finish their food.
You didn't finish your food?
So, yeah. And then we're just gonna chill until it's time to get on the boat. We're back in the hotel and I'm bored. Thought I would do an OOTD. This entire outfit is from H&M. It's like this denim outfit. I really like it. I had to get it in like an extra small because when I tried on the medium, which is my true size, it was so big on me and I had to go down 2 sizes to get it to fit, which is absolutely crazy. These are my Hermes dupes from Shein. Yeah, they're just brown and that's what I've been wearing on my feet. And then my jewelry is from Amazon. It's like a David Yurman dupe. And then this is a Pandora ring and then this ring's from TJ Maxx. And then my purse. Now this is really like a fall bag, but like it was too cute not to wear it, so I'm wearing it. This is a little like cherry keychain. I'm sure y'all have seen everywhere. This is not for Coach. This is from Amazon. But anyway, so I have my cards in the front and then receipts, boarding pass. I have my mirror, hand sanitizer. Oh, I have some change in the middle, and then I have Tylenol, hand cream, my ear pods, and then 2 pieces of gum and my lip liner. My lip liner, which is the MAC Chestnut, and this is the lip gloss that I've been using, Laneige. Probably can't see it, but it's the Laneige Blaze Craze and strawberries. It tastes, not taste, oh lord, it smells so good. It's actually not what I have on my lips. I have on the JT MAC collaboration on my lips. I love it so much. They ate with that. I love like a good brown liner and pink lip combo. So good. That's my OOTD / what's in my purse. We are again waiting to get on the boat so we can do the boat ride. It's a beautiful day. It's actually a lot hotter than I thought it would be. It's like blazing out there, which I love. Okay, we just finished the boat tour. Now we're on our way to get hot dogs. Not gonna lie, I was sleepy. She was so monotone, and then her jokes were like, they were like dad jokes. They were very corny. The city is gorgeous, it's beautiful, and the river is pretty. It's just so nice. We have changed and we are now, the lighting is terrible, but we are now going to the Navy Pier. And here's my fit. My glasses are Lorbe. My dress is Shein, Anna Louisa necklace, Amazon jewelry. My shoes are just my black sandals from Target that I wear all the time. And then I'm wearing my new Coach. Video. We're on the Ferris wheel, you guys. Good morning. It is Saturday. We're getting ready to go to Starbucks. I think it's the largest Starbucks in the world. I could be wrong. We're trying to decide if we want to walk or take an Uber. The Uber would be 2 minutes, but the walk is 11 minutes. Mind you, we're from the South, so we're not used to walking everywhere for everything. It's a little bit of a challenge for us to be walking everywhere. Did you get the Uber? We're gonna Uber 2 minutes down the street instead of walking the 10 minutes. And then he walks so fast, so it's usually not even 10 minutes. It's like 5 minutes because he walks so fast. This is the outfit today. Don't mind his suitcase back there. My bodysuit is from Ross. My pants are from Macy's. And then my sandals are from Target. And then I have my Coach purse, jean jacket from Marshalls. This is Pandora, Amazon watch, Pandora ring. Yeah, that's me today. I'm definitely using one of the lamps as a tripod. Been back for about an hour. Has it been an hour? Been back for about an hour. I'm in my pajamas because I've been in bed posting on socials. Got my wig band on and everything. But we went to Starbucks, which was nice. Packed, of course, but it was nice. The food was good. My latte was really good. And then we went to H&M just to look. And then we went to Alice in Wonder, which is like the store where you go to get like the hat, like, and like the little charms on the hat, or the little, what are they called, patches on the hat. I wanted to go to Aritzia, but that didn't happen. At Starbucks I wanted a souvenir, so I got a cup, of course. I just got this cup right here that has the Starbucks Reserve logo on it, and then it also has a Chicago logo on it. So this will be like a little souvenir. As you know, well, if you don't know, I'm obsessed with mugs and cups and all those different things. And then this is what I got from Alice in Wonder. Look at how cute the bag is, first of all. So here's the hat that I chose. I chose this one, and then I put all these patches. I put so many patches on it. So we have this hot dog, and then this heart that says shy, and then on the front here we have the Chicago flag. And then on this side, this already came with the hat, but then I have like the Chicago skyline, and then shy, but in like a cursive font. I think it looks super cool. Yeah, I wanted to choose something that not everybody has, so here it is. I love it. I also last minute got this sweatshirt. It says Chicago on it. As you know, I am, well, let me stop saying that. I am very obsessed with sweatshirts. Very excited for this one. Very comfortable, and yeah, I can't wait to wear it. I was telling my brother I just bought a pair of Birkenstocks that are like close to this color, and it's going to look so cute together, and I don't want to have to wait till the fall. So So if you see me wearing this in the middle of August in Atlanta, mind your business. We're just gonna chill out here, and then in a few hours we're gonna head to the Cubs game, which I'm excited about, and hopefully the weather clears up by then because it has been raining. It's supposed to clear up. The sun's supposed to come out by the time the game starts, but we'll see. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. It is our last day here in Chicago, and we're downstairs getting something to eat for breakfast at the hotel. After we eat here, we're just gonna go back up, pack the rest of our stuff, check out, and then head straight to the airport. Chill at the airport. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was so much fun. I loved our 2 days here, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video.